Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from Gemini to Uphold. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step process will make things easy and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Litecoin like a pro, keeping up with the latest updates for 2025. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified account on both Gemini and Uphold, with some Litecoin sitting in your Gemini wallet. Also, double-check that your Uphold wallet is set up to receive Litecoin. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. With crypto platforms evolving, Gemini might have some new interface tweaks in 2025, like enhanced security prompts, so stay alert. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section and select Litecoin from your portfolio. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw button next to your Litecoin balance. You'll be prompted to enter the destination address. That's your Uphold Litecoin wallet address. Make sure to copy this accurately from Uphold to avoid any mix-ups. In 2025, Gemini has introduced a double verification step for added security, so expect to confirm via email or app notification. Step 3. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, which have been adjusted in 2025 for faster transactions, so factor that into your plans. Review all the details carefully, then hit Confirm to process the withdrawal. After that, Step 4. Wait for the transaction to go through. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, check your Uphold account to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. A quick tip: always use the official apps or websites to minimize risks, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Gemini's support has improved in 2025 with faster response times. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Litecoin from Gemini to Uphold in 2025. It's simple once you know the ropes, and it'll save you time and stress. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.